Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent and teaching instructor. Welcome to my YouTube station. I have worked thousands of IRS cases. I worked at IRS 10 really long years, and you let my experience, my gray hair, all work for you in the things that I tell you. I, unlike other people, work for IRS, so I don't practice at my job. Lovingly, I do know my job. So anyway, I want to talk to you today about what happens if you don't report your income. Things like crypto, Bitcoin, any wallet you have, any 1090. What happens if you don't report this stuff? Well, IRS has a matching program. IRS collects billions of dollars a year. You know, IRS's computer systems weren't sophisticated enough years ago to pick this up. It was too much information to process. Now with bigger systems, larger systems, AI's use, IRS can go ahead and look at all the people who reported to IRS on you. Crypto, 1099s, W-2s, wages, anything. Anyone who had to report on you to IRS now, well, they have for a while, IRS matches up your tax return. There isn't a report of crypto coming up. You have your PayPal, your Zelle, all that stuff. If it's not on your tax return, boom, IRS goes ahead and issues you a list. Hey, did you forget about us? Hey, did you? Yes, and what they're going to do when IRS sends out, God, I think last year 3 million letters on matching programs saying, hey, you forgot to report this. So the purpose of this, IRS will nail you. You will get caught. IRS doesn't usually report this in the year that you filed. It's usually the next year because IRS is always a year behind. So let's say by some mistake you didn't report for 24. Well, your returns filed in 25 and 26, you'll have a matching report coming to you. It's called the mismatching program for those inside the business. So if that happens, you're going to get a letter. You're either going to accept it or you're going to appeal it. Now, if you appeal it, you may have had expenses against that, so you don't have to settle for that number. So if it's a large number, you should call someone like me. If it's a small number and it's right, just go ahead and pay it. Anyway, if you need me, I'm a former IRS agent. I've worked thousands of cases, but that's what you do if in fact you haven't reported income from anything. Thank you.